Learn how to make traditional strawberry shortcakes with flaky and buttery biscuits loaded with whipped cream and juicy strawberries. Perfect for a spring treat. I'm Kat, owner of Charmin Shake Baking, and welcome to my channel. Ingredient quantities are for the biscuits and listed in the description below, which makes about 10 individual strawberry shortcakes. You can also use this recipe to make one large 8-inch cake. You'll also need 1 pound of fresh strawberries, 2 cups of whipping cream, icing sugar, and vanilla extract for the whipped chantilly. We'll start by making the biscuits. In a medium bowl, whisk together the eggs, cream, and vanilla and set aside. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, salt, baking powder, and baking soda. Add the cubed cold butter to the flour mixture and work it with a pastry blender, your hands, or a food processor. Since my hands are usually cold, I prefer crumbling the butter with my hands. You can also freeze the butter and grate it on top for a quicker incorporation. You want the mixture to be crumbly but stick together when pressed. I forgot to video the next part, so what you'll need to do is add the cream mixture to the dry mixture and stir together with a fork until you get a shaggy dough. Then turn the dough onto a clean surface sprinkled with a little bit of flour and pat it into a 1-inch thick square or rectangle. Use a floured 3-inch biscuit or round cookie cutter to cut out 10 shortcake biscuits. Press the cutter straight down without twisting, which will help the biscuits to rise taller. Place the biscuits on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Check the sides to ensure they're even, otherwise they'll bake lopsided. Reform the scraps to make more shortcakes. Then, freeze the biscuits while you preheat the oven. Once the oven is preheated, brush the tops of the biscuits with a little bit of milk or cream and bake for about 25 minutes or until golden brown. I want to pause briefly to thank all my subscribers. Your support means the world to me, and I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. If you're new here and like what you see, please hit that subscribe button and join our community. I've got a lot of exciting content coming up, and I don't want you to miss out. Your subscription helps me grow and reach more amazing people like you. I also want to show you my little strawberry field that I planted in my garden last summer. I live in a colder climate, so strawberry season will be another couple of weeks out. While the biscuits are baking, prepare the strawberries. I always clean my strawberries with a vinegar solution. Add about 1/4 cup of white vinegar to a large bowl of cold water and submerge the strawberries for 10 to 15 minutes. Then thoroughly rinse the strawberries with cold water. Trust me, you won't taste the vinegar. Vinegar helps to rinse off the pesticide residue as well as dirt and bacteria from the strawberries. Then slice the strawberries and macerate with a little bit of white sugar, about 1 tablespoon per pound of sliced strawberries. Macerating sweetens the strawberries and helps to draw out the juices. Cover and keep chilled until ready to use. We're going to be making a chantilly cream using really cold whipped cream by adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 tablespoons of icing sugar. The icing sugar contains a little bit of cornstarch, which will help to stabilize the whipped cream while sweetening it at the same time. Whip the cream until stiff, then cover the bowl and chill until ready to assemble the shortcakes. Look at these biscuits. They're tender and flaky with just the right amount of sweetness. You can also freeze the biscuits and assemble the shortcakes an hour before serving, as they're best served cold. To assemble the strawberry shortcakes, split each biscuit in half. Then add the macerated strawberries with the juice and top with whipped cream. You can either dollop the cream with a spoon or use a pastry bag fitted with a large star tip. To finish off, place the top half of the biscuit on top and pile it with more cream and strawberries. These individual strawberry shortcakes are perfect for a summer treat. Light, refreshing, and not too sweet. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more strawberry desserts coming up.